Bitcoin mining. You picture guys with pickaxes and hard hats, right? Dead wrong. Let me show you what's actually happening. It's way cooler. Back to that worldwide notebook. Every few minutes, a new page needs to be added. But who gets to add it? Who do we trust when there's no boss? Bitcoin's answer is genius. Trust nobody. Make everybody compete. All over the planet. Right now, powerful machines are racing to crack a brutal math puzzle. Trillions of guesses, every single second, and the first one to solve it wins the right to add the page and earns brand new Bitcoin as the prize. That's mining, not digging. A global race to keep the record honest. And that prize is the only way new Bitcoin is ever born. No printing press, just the race. Now, the part almost nobody gets. Why make it a race at all? Because that effort is the security. To attack Bitcoin and fake transactions, you'd need more power than thousands of machines combined, burning a fortune in electricity every second just to keep up. It's so expensive, it's insane. Nobody can afford it. So the cost isn't a bug, it's the lock on the door. All that energy is exactly what makes cheating a losing game. New coins drip out, slow, steady, unstoppable, and the whole system guards itself. Effort in, honesty out, that's the engine roaring under the hood. I'm Saturo. Stay dangerous. See you in the next one.